Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later. This feature lives in accessibility. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Sound Recognition. Toggle Sound Recognition on now. Once enabled, tap sounds to add the specific categories you need, like baby cry, smoke alarm, doorbell. This establishes the recognition engine and the notification channel. Make sure notifications are allowed for accessibility, because without them, you won't get alerts when sounds are detected. Next, customize which sounds you want your phone to identify. Open Sound Recognition and pick from the list. You can add or remove categories at any time. Once selected, enable notifications so the phone will actually alert you. Make sure your alert style is prominent, banners, sounds, or badge, and pair the feature with Control Center for instant toggling. This focus setup reduces false positives and conserves battery, since the system listens only for chosen sound signatures, rather than every ambient noise. Finally, validate the configuration by testing with real-world examples. Play a recording or trigger the sound at normal volume and watch for the alert. You can create shortcuts to automate responses, send a message, or turn on lights when a sound is recognized. If recognition fails, try one key troubleshooting step. Restart your iPhone and toggle sound recognition off and on. Also check microphone access and notification permissions. If problems persist, remove and re-add the specific sound categories to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.